Whether you're fixing things around the house, working a job site, or just love good gear, quality tools matter. Workpro has built a name for itself with sturdy, dependable equipment at a fair price, which is why so many hobbyists and pros keep coming back to the brand. Today, we're counting down 17 standout Workpro tools that combine smart engineering, durability, and everyday usefulness. This 5-piece set is all about clamping down hard and staying put no matter how much torque or vibration you throw at it. Made from chrome vanadium steel, each plier is built to last through repeated heavy use without the jaws loosening or the springs wearing out. A fast lock and release lever lets you clamp a workpiece securely, then free it just as easily when you're done. The curved jaw shape, paired with a built-in wire cutter, adds versatility to every piece in the set. You get 5 sizes total: 5-inch, 7-inch, and 10-inch curved jaw pliers, plus 6.5-inch and 9-inch long nose versions. From pipes and bolts to oddly shaped parts and hard-to-reach spots, this set has the right tool ready, so you're never stuck improvising with the wrong plier for the job at hand. Nothing's more annoying than trying to turn a bolt in a spot your hand barely fits into, especially when a full-size tool just won't squeeze past everything in the way. That's exactly the problem these mini water pump pliers were built to solve. Measuring only 4 inches with a narrow head, they're made for reaching into tight corners without sacrificing grip strength. A simple push-button adjustment gives you 15 jaw settings, so resizing for the next faceter takes seconds. The V-shaped jaw makes contact at multiple points, letting it lock onto round, flat, square, or hexagonal shapes without slipping. Heat-treated steel and a black phosphate coating protect against corrosion in everyday wear, making these a solid pick for plumbing jobs, car repairs, and general fixes around the house. The textured grooves keep your hands steady even when things get greasy, and a hanging hole means they're easy to store. Tight spots and awkward angles won't slow you down anymore, whether you're under a sink, inside an engine bay, or working behind a wall panel where a full-size wrench simply won't reach.
This all-in-one kit is built to cover nearly every repair job your home throws at you, from mounting shelves to assembling furniture to tightening down loose fixtures. At the center is a 20-volt cordless drill driver with 2 speed settings and 19 torque levels for dialed-in control, backed by a quick-charging 2.0 amp-hour battery. But the drill is just the start. The set also packs magnetic and precision screwdrivers, a folding hex key set, 40 CRV driver bits, drill bits, a hammer, an adjustable wrench, and pliers, all made from tough, heat-treated CRV steel. Everything fits into a 14-inch wide-mouth tool bag for easy carrying and organized storage. Whether you're experienced or just getting your first toolbox together, this set covers the essentials in one package, saving you the trouble of buying each tool separately or hunting for the right bit mid-project. Keeping your lawn and hedges trimmed just got easier with this cordless shear. It's a 2-in-1 device. Switch between grass shear and shrub trimmer without swapping tools. A 7.2-volt, 2,000 mAh lithium battery keeps it running cord-free for extended sessions. Stainless steel blades with a 4.38-inch cutting edge on the grass shear side leave crisp, clean lines across your lawn and bushes. The handle rotates a full 360 degrees, so awkward angles are no longer a struggle. Recharging is simple thanks to the included USB-C cable, and a single charge delivers 70 to 80 minutes of continuous trimming. Manual shears are a thing of the past. This one keeps your yard sharp with far less effort, and its lightweight means your arms won't tire out even after a long session of edging and trimming.
When you need clean, controlled cuts, this heavy-duty utility knife delivers. Its aluminum alloy body has a rust-resistant powder coating, keeping it light at just 3.2 ounces while surviving a 1.5-meter drop test. A tool-free blade change system means swapping blades takes seconds, and the retractable razor blade locks into 3 cutting positions before tucking safely away inside the metal housing. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your palm, and the textured surface keeps your grip steady during longer jobs. Whether it's opening boxes, slicing carpet, or cutting through tougher materials, this knife holds up for both professional and DIY use, and its drop-resistant build means it can survive being knocked off a workbench without breaking or losing its edge. This compact screwdriver handles a huge range of fastening jobs without taking up much space. A quick load system lets you swap bits with one hand, keeping your workflow moving. 6 double-ended S2 steel bits cover common sizes: SL4/5, PH1/PH3, SQ2/PH2, SQ3/SQ1, T10/T15, and T20/T25, all stored right inside the handle. The ratchet mechanism offers forward, reverse, and locked settings for added control, while the slip-resistant ergonomic grip boosts torque and cuts down on hand strain. Great for DIY projects, quick home fixes, or outdoor tasks, it's a dependable everyday carry tool for fast adjustments, small enough to toss in a bag or glove box and always have on hand when you need it.
This corded jigsaw is built for detailed, versatile cutting, the kind of tool that handles both straight rip cuts and tight curves without missing a beat. A 6.5 amp 850 watt motor pushes it up to 3,000 strokes per minute, making quick work of wood, metal, and plastic. 6 variable speed settings let you match the pace to your material, and a plus-minus 45-degree bevel function opens up angled cuts, while 4 orbital settings adjust cutting aggressiveness. A tool-free blade change keeps things moving fast, and a built-in LED lights up your cutting line. A dust blower clears debris as you go, and a lock-on button eases strain during longer sessions. The kit ships with 7 T-shank blades, 1 for metal, 6 for wood, a scale ruler, a dust exhaust pipe, and an Allen wrench. Everything needed to get cutting right away without a separate trip to the hardware store for accessories. Filleting fish becomes fast and simple with this cordless electric knife. At just 1 pound without blades or battery, it's built for comfortable non-slip handling thanks to its rubber-coated grip. 2 interchangeable premium carbon stainless steel blades, an 8-inch flexible blade, and a 10-inch stiff blade cover a wide range of fish types. 2 2.0 amp-hour lithium battery packs mean you can keep working without pausing to recharge, and a secure locking system keeps the battery firmly seated. Everything, knife, blades, batteries, and charger, comes packed in a durable carrying case, ready to grab for your next fishing trip, whether you're headed to the dock, the boat, or straight to the cleaning table at home. Pulling nails from delicate wood without damaging it is tricky, since a slip of a hammer claw can crack or splinter a board you are hoping to reuse. This air-powered nail remover makes it far easier. Designed for 9 to 16 gauge nails between 1 and 4 inches long, it features a slim 2 3/4 inch nose, or 6 millimeters across, that reaches into tight areas, plus a hardened tip that delivers a strong, precise strike to push nails free. A 360-degree adjustable exhaust lets you direct airflow away from your face for safer, more comfortable use. Its lightweight die-cast aluminum body and non-slip ergonomic handle reduce fatigue during longer jobs. Running at 60 to 100 psi, it's ideal for salvaging usable wood from pallets, crates, decks, and floorboards, and it handles bent nails just as well as straight ones, which makes it a genuine time saver on any demolition or reclamation job. Small but mighty, this 8-inch bolt cutter handles thin bolts, wires, and cables with ease. Built from drop-forged, heat-treated steel, it cuts up to 2.3 millimeters, or about 3/32 of an inch, and stands up to materials rated as high as 65 HRC. A classic lever design combined with tightly aligned blades gives you more cutting force with less strain, making short work of tough jobs like clearing fencing, chain link, or old padlocks. For clearing dust and debris from tricky spots, this air blower gun is a handy addition to any cleaning routine, especially for car interiors and workshop cleanup. Its aluminum alloy shell resists dents, corrosion, and general wear,
At only 0.48 pounds, it's light and easy to maneuver, with a comfortable, stable grip that keeps hand fatigue low during longer cleaning sessions, whether you're blasting dust out of vents, keyboards, or car dashboards. Built for HVAC work, metal fabrication, and detailed DIY projects, this hand seamer makes clean bends, seams, and flattening jobs on sheet metal much easier, replacing guesswork with a repeatable, accurate result every time. Forged from high-grade carbon steel with a black oxide coating, it resists wear and corrosion over the long haul. The 3-inch straight jaws include 4 evenly spaced V-grooves, about 7 millimeters apart. Doubling is built-in measurement guides. An anti-slip TPR handle reduces hand strain during extended use, and a safety lock holds the jaws shut when not in use, making storage and transport simple. Its compact shape maneuvers easily in cramped spaces, making it a reliable pick for workshops, garages, and job sites where ductwork or flashing needs a clean, accurate seam. For smoothing rough edges on metal, plastic, or 3D printed parts, this handheld deburring tool gets the job done cleanly. The kit includes 11 high-speed steel swivel blades, covering nearly any deburring task you'll come across. The ergonomic handle stays comfortable through extended use, and the swivel blade design adapts to uneven surfaces for more precise work. It's a handy addition for hobbyists and professionals alike who want a clean, burr-free finish without spending extra time filing or sanding by hand. These bypass pruning shears are made for gardeners who want clean, precise cuts every time. The kind that heal quickly and keep your plants healthy rather than leaving ragged, torn edges. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, they resist rust and hold their sharp edge over time. The blades cut cleanly through stems up to 3/4 inch thick, ideal for flowers, shrubs, and small branches, without crushing the plant tissue. A non-slip, ergonomic handle keeps your grip comfortable through repetitive use, and a safety lock secures the blade shut for safe storage. Spring-loaded action reduces the effort behind every cut, making this a solid companion for both casual gardeners and serious horticulturists who spend hours a week shaping their beds and borders. Changing an oil filter gets a lot less frustrating with this adjustable wrench, especially on filters that seem to have been welded on by the last mechanic. It fits filters from 2 3/4 inches to 1 5/8 inches across, covering a wide range of vehicles. 3 rotatable jaws combined with a strong magnetic design lock firmly onto the filter for an easier removal. You can drive it either with a 3/8 inch square driver or a 58 inch wrench, giving you flexibility depending on your setup. Drop-forged steel construction adds torque and reliability even on filters that have been stuck on for years. Backed by a well-known manufacturer, it's a dependable, ergonomic upgrade over older wrench designs that turns one of the messiest parts of an oil change into a quick, controlled step. This compact electric screwdriver is built for quick fixes and light assembly around the house. A 3.7-volt cordless motor pairs with a rotating handle that switches between straight and pistol grips, adapting to whatever angle the job requires. A built-in LED lights up dim work areas, and a 1500 mAh lithium battery powers through tasks with ease. The kit includes 10 commonly used CRV bits and a 60mm magnetic extension bar, all stored in a compact toolbox. The non-slip, ergonomic design keeps handling steady and reduces fatigue, making it a great choice for furniture assembly, hanging blinds, or tightening loose screws around the house without dragging out a full-size drill. That wraps up our rundown of 17 Workpro tools worth having in your workshop, from precision hand tools to power gear that can handle a full day's work without slowing down. Got a favorite from the list, or one you're planning to pick up first for your own toolbox? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear which one caught your eye and why. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.